Hello world, it's October 14th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Google and Mandiant reveal malware and zero-day used in Oracle EB's extortion. Unverified COTS hardware enables persistent attacks on small satellites with Spychain. Oracle releases emergency security update for new e-business suite Flaw. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Customer payment data stolen in Unity Technologies' SpeedTree website compromise. SimonMed Imaging discloses data breach affecting over 1.2 million people. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. North Korean IT workers use VPNs and laptop farms to evade identity verification. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.